upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Because nobody wants to end up with a camera that's just a glorified paperweight. Today, we're diving into an exciting showdown between two Canon heavyweights. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Canon EOS R8. It's the battle of the full-frame mirrorless cameras. On the left, we have the R6 Mark II, complete with an RF 24 to 105 mm lens kit, and on the right, the R8, the lightweight contender that's here to prove that good things come in small packages. First up, let's talk about the price. The R6 Mark II is priced at a whopping $3,599, which has some reviewers saying it feels like a significant investment, but many believe the performance justifies the cost. In contrast, the R8 comes in at a much more wallet-friendly $1,499. Reviewers appreciate this affordability, especially for those entering the full-frame camera world. Now onto image quality. Both cameras boast a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, but the R6 Mark II's DIGIC-X image processor offers an ISO range of 101,024,00, expandable to 204,800, making it a favorite among wedding photographers for capturing stunning detail in low light. Reviewers rave about the R6's exceptional image quality, while the R8, with similar features, delivers great performance but isn't quite as high on the ISO range. Users find the R8 still provides impressive low-light capabilities, making it an excellent choice for travel and street photography. Let's move on to autofocus. The R6 Mark II features dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering up to 100% of the frame with 1053 AF zones. Reviewers love its fast and flexible autofocus, especially for capturing wedding moments. The R8 also offers an impressive autofocus system, making it suitable for both photography and videography, but some users note that the R6 is slightly faster in certain scenarios. Both cameras ensure you'll capture your subjects in sharp focus. Now, let's talk about continuous shooting. The R6 Mark II can shoot up to 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and a jaw-dropping 40 FPS with the electronic shutter, which has reviewers thrilled about capturing every fleeting moment. The R8, while not matching the R6's insane FPS, still performs admirably for those casual shooters wanting to catch every moment, making it a great option for everyday photography. Finally, let's talk video. The R6 Mark II can shoot uncropped 4K video at up to 60 FPS, with reviewers praising its ability to capture high-quality vacation footage. The R8 also offers uncropped 4K at 60 FPS and Full HD high frame rate recording at 180 FPS. Users adore the R8's video capabilities, especially for pet videos, making both cameras great for videographers looking to create stunning content. Overall, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is celebrated for its exceptional performance, especially in low light and high-speed shooting, making it a top choice for serious photographers. The R8, while more budget-friendly, impresses with its portability and versatility, making it ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description.